In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create multiple copies of a file in Google Drive. This can be especially useful when you need to generate templates or maintain separate versions of a file for various purposes without altering the master copy. Let's get started. First, head over to your Google Drive by visiting drive.google.com in your preferred web browser. Logging into your Google account is a must, as all operations occur within your own Drive storage. Once there, navigate to the file you wish to replicate. It could be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or any other file type you've saved in your Drive. Once you've located the file, click to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted, which indicates it's ready for the next step. With the file selected, look towards the top right-hand side of your Google Drive interface. Here, you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu. Clicking this will open a list of additional options. From this menu, select Make a Copy. This action will prompt Google Drive to create a duplicate of your chosen file right there in the same folder, with Copy of prefixed to the original file name. This is important to note as it helps distinguish the new copy from the original. If you need to create multiple copies at one go, here's a little trick. You can repeatedly click Make a Copy as many times as necessary to generate additional duplicates. Or, if you'd prefer a more straightforward approach using your keyboard, you can press Ctrl+C to copy and then Ctrl+V to paste. Each paste action generates another copy, with Drive automatically managing the naming convention to avoid conflicts. An important thing to remember when handling multiple copies is organizing them accordingly. To do so, consider moving these duplicates into a dedicated folder for easier navigation. To create a new folder, click the New button on the left side of your screen, select Folder, and give it a descriptive name that you'll easily recall. You can then drag and drop your copies into this folder to keep everything orderly. That's it. You've now successfully created multiple copies of your file in Google Drive, making it easier to manage variations or templates without affecting your original file. Using these straightforward steps will help keep your Google Drive neat and efficient, and save you time when managing projects or collaborating with others. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Google Drive more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. See you next time.